Hello student, how are you? I hope so. You are going with your studies. Now, today we are starting with the biology subject standard 12 and lesson number 3, inheritance and variation. It is very interesting topic. Now, let us start with the can you recall? Please give some pressure to your mind. Which that first question is there a similarity between the parents and offsprings? Means what? Is there any similarities? Now you know that surrounding where you stay, there each and every organism have their offsprings. Offspring mean the baby. Now those babies which are there, they have the equal characteristic. For example, the dog puppies, cat kittens, now all the characters which are there, they are similar to their parents. This is called as similarities between parents and offspring. Now let us start with the second. What are the role of chromosome in living organism? Now, what is the role? That means the roles of chromosomes. Means role of chromosome इसका मतलब ये है कि to transfer the genetic character. Means these are helping to transfer the genetic character from the parents to offspring. यानी क्या कि पेरेंट्स से उनके ऑफस्प्रिंग में क्या हो रहा है, तो जेनेटिक कैरेक्टर ट्रांसमिट हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नाउ आई एम गिविंग कलर ऑफ द आईज, कलर ऑफ द स्किन, द बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर एक्सेट्रा. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द रोल ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. यानी क्या रोल ऑफ क्रोमोसोम? यानी क्या है कि जो जेनेटिक कैरेक्टर है वो ट्रांसफर करते हैं फ्रॉम the parents to the offspring. So you understood what is the role of chromosome. Now let us start with the third. How are the hybrid seed produced? Now you had here that hybrid product. Hybrid product means what? The dissimilar parents. यानी दो parents which are there, male and female, those are having the different characteristic. And after the crossing between these two parents, the seed which are being produced, here the seed it is told, so I am telling the seed, that is called as hybrid seed. Means the different character, dissimilar characters, when it is getting transferred to their progeny or their young ones, that seeds are called as hybrid seeds. Then the fourth question which is there, which are the chromosomal disorder? Chromosomal disorder means the chromosomal disorder, for example, two disease I am giving the example. First one is color blindness and another one is Klinefelter, which is the genetic problem disorder which are seen in their progeny. Now, these are also Klinefelter are also the infertile progeny. So these two example I have given of chromosomal disorder. Other example are also there that you have to search. Now did you understood the recall some genetic character? Now let us start with the basic thing other than this textbook. For example, here you know that our body is made up of cell, and inside this cell nucleus is present. Inside that nucleus chromosome is present, and in that chromosomes the genes are present, and these genes transmit the character from the parents to offspring. So you got it? Chromosomes which are there, inside that DNA is present, and in that DNA genes are present in which all the genetic information is being stored. For example, earlier I gave example color of the eyes, color of the skin, body structure, etc. Now let us start the heredity and variation, inheritance. Now, what is mean by heredity? Heredity means the transmission of genetic information from generation to generation is known as heredity, or inheritance means inheritance is only the heredity. Those characters which are resemble means what? That parents are having those character, it is getting into their progeny, means the process of transmission, that is only called as heredity. Now the mechanism. The mechanism means what? The role, means to perform. The mechanism of inheritance was successfully investigated before chromosome had been observed or genes were known. Now we know that today we have started with the so many research of this genetic heredity, variation, similarities, etc. But the first scientist named Gregor Mendel, means Gregor John Mendel. He, the son of peasant farmer, was born in Moravia in 1822. Now keep this year for your information, 1822, the birth year of the Gregor John Mendel. Now he was the first to give the accurate explanation for the mechanism of inheritance by using hybridization technique. Now he performed the many experiments. After that he found out that there is some character or factor which are present inside the parent which is being transferred into the progeny. So we call it as a father of genetics, Gregor John Mendel. Now next, he selected the pea plant. Here, inheritance of 7 trait in garden pea. Plant were studied individual, one at time or in combination of 2 or 3 character at a time. He processed the data mathematically and statically. Now we know that Mendel selected the pea plant for his experiment because this pea plant which is there, it gives the seed within the 3 months, means the उनकी जो ये है ग्रोथ है, या तो पेरिनियल जैसे हम कहते हैं, एनुअल जैसे हम कहते हैं, तो ये पी प्लांट जो है वो 3 मंथ्स में अपना रिजल्ट देती है. एंड ऑल्सो पी प्लांट was having so many means contrasting character. For example, here you can see round is the seed shape, seed color, pod shape, pod color, flower location, plant height. Now these were the character, so many character, and flower were large and conspicuous for the artificial pollination, and so he selected the pea plant for his experiment and put forth the data mathematically and statically before us. Now Mendel has also postulated the principles of heredity, which then became the fundamental laws of heredity as proposed by Correns in 1900. Now he visualized, means Mendel ने देखा that the trait as such are not inherited physically but by something. यानी after the experiment he searched that there is something present inside the plant, inside the gametic cell, and that gametic cell is being transferred to their progeny. To this something he coined the term factor, and thus today we call this factor as a gene, are responsible for their expression for their particular trait and character, and today we say them as a trait and character. He proposed that factor are particular in nature, that we know that skin color is there, color of the eyes, body structure, these are particular in nature. The Mendelian factors are now termed as gene, as we saw earlier that first of all he coined the term factor and today we call it as a gene. Gene means in which all the information of the physical structure, internal structure inside the body. The factors occur in pair in the parents and segregate from each other during the gamete. Segregate means the separation, formation without blending and mixing. Now some genes are there, they get separated and transmitted into the progeny. Now let us see the reasons for Mendel's success. Now these reasons for Mendel's success can be asked for 3 marks. So please do these carefully. Reasons for Mendel's success: because his experiments were carefully planned and involved large sample. Second one, he carefully recorded the number of the plants of each type and expressed his result as ratios. Now here, he performed the experiment as we know that. But how? Here in this image, you can see dominant and recessive. The dominant which is there means those character which are being expressed in the first generation, that is called as dominant character. Here I am giving the example round and wrinkled. When both the seed having the plants are being crossed with each other, at that time the F1 generation means the young ones, progeny of the next, will express all the seed round, and so this round character is called as dominant. Then another one is yellow, green. Here yellow is dominant, means the character which are being expressed in the F1 generation are called as dominant. And recessive means the character is present. It is present in the progeny, but it is been not expressed, which is been suppressed, and so this character are called as recessive character. Got it? Now in the pea plant, contrasting character can be easily recognized as we saw earlier. The 7 different characters in pea plant were controlled by a single factor, so he selected the pea plant. The factors are located on separate chromosome and these factors are transmitted from generation to generation. As we know that all the characters from our grandfather to father and to us, it is being transmitted from generation to generation. He introduced the concept of dominance and recessiveness. Before learning about Mendel's experiment, now some genetic terms and symbols are there that we will study into the next video. Thank you, students.